Hi, it's Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how I make my royal icing transfer sheets. So I usually start by going on to Google and typing something in the search bar, whatever I'm looking for, some kind of clip art, or I will also go on Canva and do the same thing. Just type in the search bar and look at the different elements and see what I can find. One thing you're going to want to do if you are selling your cookies or selling your design is you're going to want to make sure you're using images with free license rights, or you can buy your image. So to find images on Google with free usage rights, I clicked on images and then tools and then the Creative Commons licenses. And I'm just going to scroll through these images and try to find something simple that I want to use for a royal icing transfer. And I think this one looks simple enough, so let's pick this one for now. So I would just click on it, and then I would use the snipping tool on Windows, and I would select new and then draw my outline around it and hit copy. And I would open this up in a word processing program like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Google Docs on my computer and select new and then copy paste into this document. So Control V to paste. And then I'm going to click on the image so that I can resize it into whatever size I'm going to want my royal icing transfer to be on my cookie. Once you have it the size that you need, go ahead and copy and paste it several times onto your Google Doc. So Control C for copy and Control V for paste on a Windows computer. And don't forget to leave space in between your images so that you have room for piping. And once you're done and you have the page filled with your image, go ahead and print it out. And I like to put my royal icing transfer sheets into a sheet protector and pipe right on top of that. You can also put it under a piece of parchment paper. Please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. I have new cookie tutorials every week. And if you want a free copy of the transfer sheet that was shown in the opening frame, just click the link in my bio and I'll get you all set up. Bye.